hh2 Remote Payroll allows you to record equipment revenue, the expense of using equipment on a job that gets coded as a cost to the job. Getting equipment time entered on a regular basis can be cumbersome. Using handwritten timesheets for your equipment brings with them a messy overhead, which includes deciphering illegible handwriting, remembering codes, double entry, and other issues that compromise the accuracy of the data. Selecting the wrong software to handle these issues can bring up even more troubling problems. hh2 Remote Payroll has you covered. We support equipment revenue coding to a variety of codes: cost codes, general ledger accounts, revenue codes, etc., along with varying methods for entering time: daily, weekly, record-based, and equipment batch time entry. Our system is customizable to give you the methods that are the most appropriate for your ever-changing needs. To code time to equipment, log in with your username and password. Select the Remote Payroll icon found on the left-hand side of the screen. On the pop-up menu, choose Equipment Timesheet. In the upper left-hand corner, you have the option to code time on a weekly basis or daily. Using daily, you can code to multiple pieces of equipment at once for a single day. Switching over to weekly allows you to code time for a single piece of equipment for the entire week. Notice the job is listed boldly along the top and the cost codes are listed under the job. Entering time is as simple as clicking into the corresponding box and going to the next one. If you need to add a job or code to the timesheet, just click the button at the bottom titled Add Jobs and Codes to Timesheet. From here, you can select a job, cost code, and then click the Add to Timesheet button. Now the new job and codes have been added to the timesheet and are available for coding time. There is an additional way to add time to equipment revenue as well. Select the Remote Payroll icon from the left. Choose Equipment Time Record Entry from the pop-up menu. This way of entering time for equipment allows you to quickly select multiple pieces of equipment and multiple days of the week to which you can code the time. This is very efficient for companies that wish to do their equipment entries all at once. On this screen, you can see a list of equipment time that has already had time entries coded. Select the plus icon to add a new entry. In the pop-up menu, choose the piece or pieces of equipment you wish to code time for. Select the date or dates you are entering time for. Enter the hours that the equipment was used for those days. Choose a job, select a cost code, or any other codes you are using. Click the Save Time button. We also have apps developed for Apple and Android operating systems. Open your Remote Payroll mobile app. Select the Equipment Weekly Time Card or Daily Time Card button. Choose your equipment. Enter the time in the boxes corresponding to the job and code. We also have record-based equipment time entry on the mobile apps. Select Equipment Time Entry. Choose the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select the equipment. Choose the date or multiple dates. Enter in the hours. Choose the job. Select the relevant code. And click Add. hh2 Cloud Services makes entering equipment time a breeze for you, whether on the web or mobile apps. These apps can even be used when you aren't connected to the web. We provide multiple ways to submit your time and employ a very wide variety of coding practices to do so. To find out more about what hh2 Remote Payroll and the equipment revenue features of our service can do for you, please go to www.hh2.com payroll.com/equipment, or click here for a demo.